Crunchy Wood Girl, and today I am going to be making a domino box. Now, in one of my last videos, I just made a keepsake box, I called it, and it's going to be exactly the same as that, but on a much smaller scale. And I'm also not going to be talking through this video, I'm just going to get on and do it, and I'm going to be starting right from scratch this time. So I've actually got like dry, raw timber, as you call it. But if you do want to see how to make a box more detailed and talked through it, then go find my other video. I'll leave a link for it here or here. I can never remember which side it pops up when you're editing. So it's either here or either here now, so go ahead and click that. And yeah, don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe kind of thing. And yeah, let's get to it. Hope you enjoy. That's the end of this project as well, so that's our little domino box. As you can see, it's all lined and the lid slides in and out really nice. Little clip at the end. Like I say, it has got that movement for wood expansion, so it shouldn't get stuck. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll leave some stills after, so stick around to watch that, of just the photos of the box, just because this camera doesn't really pick it up very well and my phone picks it up a lot better for photos. So tell me what you think about it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Please share the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.